Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well, inshallah. And today I'm sitting in the same outfit doing back-to-back videos. That is because I have received some parcels and I'm super excited to show them and share it with you guys. So I have this Nykaa parcel. It's been a while since I've ordered anything makeup related from Nykaa. I did purchase few things and I thought I will share it with you guys. In no means these are a lot of things. They're very tiny little everyday essentials, so you guys can also pick them up. And I will not be doing in-depth review of these, but if you ask me, then I will do it. Now let's go ahead and let me show you the products that I have. New to this channel, welcome. And I make videos on beauty, lifestyle and travel. I'm also on Instagram as I am Saher Ahmed. I will leave a link of the profile in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and follow me there. The first thing that I picked up was this Faces Canada's Magnetize. This is a 24-hour stay Kajal, and it's smudge proof, water resistant, deep black finish, fade proof and vitamin E enriched. So this retails for 179 rupees and you get 0.35 grams worth of product. It comes in this red color packaging, and the outer packaging looks like this. So this is how the Kajal looks like. It has got this twisteroo application and you get quite a lot amount of it. You've got this sharpened pointy edge over here. I don't have a camera, but I don't have a mirror over here. I don't have a mirror, but let me just watch it to you guys. So this is how it looks like, and this is just one swipe, and you can see how jet black this is. So it's just one swipe, 0.2 so that we can smudge and see if it will smudge. So let it settle for a minute and then we can smudge it, and you can see how pigmented that is. It's really beautiful. Just a little kajal can amp up your face to 10 times. You don't have to apply any foundation or anything of that sort, and if you have a really good kajal, it just amps up. And I give 10 on 10 recommendations for this for you guys to pick it up. And I think it's got settled, and I don't think it is smudge proof. As you can see, it is definitely smudging. Over here is another kajal. This is by Essence, and it's their brown kajal. So we get 0.28 grams for around 170 rupees. I will leave the prices here. So the Faces Canada one costed me around 152 rupees. The Essence one costed me around 175 rupees. So I am seeing the pamphlet for the prices. So this is how it looks like. It is again a twisteroo application, twisty application, and this is how it swatches. Again, very beautiful coffee brown kind of a shade. And again, this is also smudge proof is what it says, but I don't know about that. It is mentioned 18 hours waterproof formula. This didn't come in any other packaging like the Faces Canada one. It just came just like this. And it is also a twisty application. Definitely really good, and the packaging is also brown, so that way it is easy for you to know where it is. And let me just try it on my eyes. I have no concealer on. Wow, I like this. Just one swipe gave me a very good application. It was so easy to apply. If even if you're new, it's so easy. And I like this one more than the Faces Canada one. I don't know why, but I really like the brown one. And yes, it's for 175 rupees, and it's definitely worth it. And you can see how beautifully it's made my eyes look. So yes, 10 on 10 recommend this one. The one that I picked up is a Swiss Beauty concealer, again in the shade Sand Sable. I already own one of these. I bought this one extra backup, and it's got the same packaging. You've seen a detailed review about this, so I'm not going to be using this. This is just a backup for me, and this is how the shade looks like in case you have forgotten. But I have already made a detailed review on this product on my channel, so I will leave that in the I button or in the description box. So yes you guys, this has settled. अभी बहुत dry हो गया है, and अब मैं smudge कर रही हूँ तो ये move नहीं हो रहा है. like literally a move nahi ho raha hai. The Faces Canada is moving a little bit, but the Essence one is not moving, so I will recommend the Essence one more than the Faces Canada. The Swiss Beauty one will cost you about 185 rupees. There was some discount on it. The thing that I picked up was from this brand called as Elf. You know, I have made a video on their eyeshadow and highlighter blush duo. Then I think there was a discount running on this. There was buy two get one free. I didn't use that offer, but I did pick this one up as an eyebrow pencil. So it's called as the Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and it's in the shade taupe. You get 0.18 gram worth of product. Retails for 250 rupees, so it's very affordable. And let me just open it. How the packaging looks like. It's got this white packaging with a brand name Elf written over here. On one end you get a very good sized spoolie with a cap on it, and on the other side you get the pencil itself. The pencil has got the same tip as in as you get on the eyeliner, oh sorry, as you get on the kajal. So this is how it looks like. Let me just fill in and show you guys. Yeah, it looks so nice. Look at this eye and look at this eye, and I've just used it gently. But let me just watch it on the back of my hand. So it looks like this. It's a very light color, very light color. It's not very waxy, it's not very thick. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, and I really like it because I've got sparse eyebrows. So when I go in with a very thick or a creamy formula, it looks very artificial on my eyes. But this is giving me a very natural, gentle strokes, and you can see it's pretty much filled my eyes without it looking artificial. So yes, this is a very good product, and I definitely would recommend this one also to you guys. Last thing that I picked up was this lip and cheek tint from Iba, and it's their must have everyday lip and cheek tint. I've been seeing this one go viral and everybody raving about it, so I thought let me just try it for myself. And off lately I've been so much into lip and cheek tints. I have been, you know, obsessed with it. Like, I want to just apply a blush product and head out. I don't want to apply foundation, I don't want to apply anything, just mascara and lip and cheek tint, and that's it. So that's what I'm going through, that's the phase I'm going through. So I picked up in the shade Timeless Mocha. This is the famous shade of theirs, so pick that. You get a 8 grams product for 499 rupees, but definitely you can get discounts on their site as well as on Nykaa as well. And the ingredients over here is mentioned, and they have mentioned that this product comes with rosehip oil with this has got non-toxic mineral colors, which is safe and vegan pigments, and it's got vitamin E. And this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in the square kind of box, and this is the shade that I picked, Timeless Mocha. Then you get you know, silver foil to make sure that nobody has touched the product. When you remove that, this is the shade. It's got this brown tones as well as pink tones, and look at that, how beautiful that is. You can use this product in multiple ways. You can apply on your eyes, you know, you don't need an eyeshadow, just apply on your eyes and it helps, and just smudged it and it looks so nice. It looks really beautiful on my lips. It looks like my lips but better. Yes, definitely recommend this. So I will do a detailed video of this. I will purchase one other shade or so, and you know, make a detailed review on it, so you guys get an idea as to which shade you can pick up, which shade you can avoid. And this shade will suit all skin types. As you can see, this has made my skin look so natural, healthy, and you know, lightly flushed, and I'm loving it. One word for it: pick this up, grab it before it goes out of stock. This is bombdiggity.com, and look at the packaging inside, so cute. It's so cute. Love it, love it. I love Eva's products. They are halal and they're good. This, we've come to an end of our video, and I hope you guys love the products and the speed reviews.